Nasai wasn't just one of Islam's greatest Hadith scholars. His unwavering commitment to speaking the truth about historical figures ultimately led to his violent death. It's a stark reminder that intellectual honesty can carry a tremendous personal cost, even for revered religious scholars. Thomas, who was Imam al-Nasai and what set him apart from his contemporaries?
Imam al-Nasai, born in 214 or 215 Hijri in Nasai, Khorasan, which is in modern-day Turkmenistan, was more than just a scholar. He was, as you said, a guardian of the faith. His full name was Ahmad ibn Shuayb ibn Ali al-Nasai, and his kunya was Abu Abdul Rahman. From a very young age, he showed a profound dedication to knowledge and worship. By the age of 15, he embarked on extensive travels solely to collect and preserve the Hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He journeyed to major centers of learning like Baghdad, Kufa, Makkah, Medina, Syria, and Egypt, studying under giants such as Imam Abu Dawud, Ishaq ibn Rahawayh, and Qutayba ibn Sa'id. His devotion was so strong that even his own students like Imam al-Tabrani and Ibn al-Sunni went on to become prominent Hadith scholars themselves.
His pursuit of knowledge sounds incredibly rigorous. He's famously known for one of the 6 books of Hadith. Can you tell us more about his written works?
Absolutely. While he authored several important books, his most renowned work is undoubtedly Sunan al-Nasai, which is counted among the Sihah Sittah, or the 6 most authentic collections of Hadith. Beyond that, he also wrote al-Sunan al-Kubra, a larger compilation, and significantly Khasa'is Ali, which details the virtues of Ali ibn Abi Talib. He spent a considerable portion of his life in Egypt, where his Hadith lectures became incredibly popular, attracting students from far and wide.
So he built this impressive scholarly career in Egypt, yet the source describes a sensitive phase in his life that took place in Damascus. Why would a scholar of his stature choose to go to Damascus, especially if it was a known hotspot of political and historical influence that, as the text states, downplayed the virtues of Ali?
That's precisely where the critical turn in his life occurred. The source explains that Damascus, due to its prolonged history under Umayyad rule, had a climate where Imam al-Nasai decided to go to Damascus specifically to rectify this. He aimed to clarify the truth to the public there. He arrived in Damascus and began giving lectures in the Umayyad mosque, consistently expounding on Ali's virtues for several days. This was also when he compiled his book Khasa'is Ali on the very same subject.
That's a very bold move, effectively challenging the established narrative in a politically charged environment. How did the local population, steeped in that anti-Ali sentiment, react to his lectures?
His lectures didn't sit well with everyone. Some people demanded that he also narrate the virtues of Muawiyah. Imam al-Nasai responded that, to his knowledge, there were no strong traditions on that topic. When they pressed him further, he reportedly cited a hadith where the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, quote, "May your stomach never be full, O Muawiyah." End quote. This hadith, incidentally, has differing interpretations among scholars.
That specific hadith would certainly inflame an already tense situation. What happened then? Did this confrontation lead to the violence you mentioned earlier?
It did. The atmosphere became extremely charged. Some individuals attacked him, severely injuring him. These injuries ultimately proved fatal. He passed away in 303 Hijri at the approximate age of 88. Some accounts suggest he was taken to Mecca, where he died. This tragic event unfolded during the Abbasid Caliphate.
So his death wasn't just a rumor, it was documented by other prominent scholars. Can you confirm which historians recorded this event, adding weight to its historical significance?
Indeed, it's not merely anecdotal. Major Sunni Hadith scholars have corroborated this incident. Imam al-Dhahabi, in his work Siyar Alam al-Nubala, writes that Imam al-Nasai narrated the virtues of Ali, and when asked to narrate the virtues of Muawiyah, he refused. As a result, people beat him until he was severely wounded. Imam Jalaluddin al-Suyuti, in Tabaqat al-Huffaz,
states that al-Nasai was subjected to violence in Damascus for speaking about Ali's virtues, and these wounds later caused his death. Imam Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani in Tahdhib at-Tahdhib also records that al-Nasai was harshly tormented in Damascus and subsequently exiled, after which he passed away.
Those are powerful attestations from highly respected figures confirming the gravity of what happened. What do you see as Imam al-Nasai's enduring legacy beyond his scholarly contributions?
His legacy is immense. He dedicated his entire life to serving the Hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But more profoundly, his life, particularly his final years, teaches us that speaking the truth isn't always easy. Yet, true scholars never back down from that responsibility. He remains alive through his knowledge, and, I would argue, through the enduring lesson of his steadfastness in the face of immense pressure. Imam al-Nasai's story is a compelling testament to intellectual courage and the profound impact of adhering to one's convictions. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, share this episode with someone who appreciates the intersection of history, scholarship, and unwavering principle.